In this episode, we'll make this low-calorie, high-protein sticky rice cakes using only 4 ingredients. You won't even know there's this superfood. It's so easy and delicious. Now let's get started. First, we'll need 250 grams smooth, medium firm tofu. Then place tofu into a food processor. Then add 2 tablespoons potato starch and 4 tablespoons tapioca starch. Then add 1 tablespoon allulose. So what is allulose? It is a natural sweetener found at low levels in figs, raisin, wheat, maple syrup, and molasses. It is generated when fructose is heated and has low to no calories, and it tastes similar to table sugar. And it does not have a weird aftertaste like Splenda or aspartame. And it does not raise your blood sugar, which ultimately improves your insulin resistance. It's a much healthier choice than table sugar. Okay, back to this. By the way, if you don't have a food processor, you can mix everything by hand with a whisk. Now blend until smooth. Then transfer mixture into a mixing bowl. Make sure it's microwave safe. Next, cover the mixing bowl with a saran wrap and poke a few small holes with a toothpick. Then microwave the mixture for 1 minute. Remove saran wrap and give it a good stir. Cover it again with saran wrap and microwave it for 1.5 minutes. You know the drill. Mix again. Fold it and pounce it several times with a spatula to make it more elastic. Now look how bouncy and sticky it has become. Keep punching it. It's therapeutic. On your work surface, place a piece of saran wrap. Then spray some cooking oil on it to prevent it from sticking. Transfer your dough onto the saran wrap. Then spray just a little bit more oil onto the dough. And this is just for fun. Cover the dough with another piece of saran wrap. And then pat it down to even it out, and then we'll shape it with a dough scraper. Form the dough into a rectangle. Let it rest for 5 minutes, then flip it to the other side and let it rest again for another 5 minutes. This will smooth out the surfaces. Remove the plastic wrap from the top. Spray some cooking oil onto the dough scraper. Wipe off the excess oil with a napkin if necessary. Now cut the mochi into strips. I'm just eating the first piece because it's ugly. This step is optional, but you can air fry your sticky rice cakes to make it crispy. Spray some cooking oil onto the tray. Place the rice cakes onto the tray. Spray some cooking oil onto the cakes. Bake at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. Then turn the cakes and bake for another 5 minutes or until golden brown. And here we have some tan and crispy rice cakes. I just want to let you guys hear how crunchy it is, okay? It's golden and crunchy. Now we're going to add some soybean powder, and if you like, you can drizzle some maple syrup, so it's still very healthy. On a plate, spread some kinako powder. Then evenly dust the rice cakes with kinako powder. Look at this beauty. It's so bouncy. Finally, we're going to drizzle some maple syrup on it. This is optional, by the way. I like it without the syrup as well. And here it is. Okay, it's time to taste test this. Soft and springy. These low-calorie, high-protein sticky rice cakes are soft, chewy, and elastic, offering a satisfying bounce with every bite. When air-fried, the outside becomes wonderfully crispy and golden brown, while the inside remains delightfully soft and chewy. Dusted with Kaneko powder, the rice cakes adds a slightly grainy finish with a nutty flavor. If you choose to drizzle maple syrup, it adds a rich sweetness that enhances the overall flavor. And as you saw, there's no cooking involved. You just need Chef Mike. So give this healthy dessert a try. And if you've enjoyed today's video, I'm sure you'll also enjoy the next video here. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye!